In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and restore versions in Google Sheets. This is an incredibly useful skill that can save you time and frustration, especially if you need to revert to a previous version of your work, or simply want to understand how your document has progressed over time. Whether you're collaborating with others or frequently updating data, the version history feature in Google Sheets provides a powerful way to keep track of changes and manage them effectively. To get started, first open the Google Sheet you wish to review. You can do this by navigating to your Google Drive, locating your desired document, and clicking to open it. Once your document is open, you'll want to turn your attention to the toolbar at the top of your screen. Now find and click on the File tab located on the left side of the toolbar. This will open a drop-down menu containing various options related to your document. From this menu, hover over the section labeled Version History. You'll notice an arrow beside it. Click here to reveal a secondary menu. In this drop-down, you'll see an option labeled See Version History. Go ahead and click this option. When you click on See Version History, a panel will appear on the right side of your screen. This panel displays all the different versions of your Google Sheet that have been saved automatically by Google. It's organized by the date and time of the changes, making it easy to navigate through the history of your document. Each entry in this list represents a snapshot in time of your spreadsheet and shows you precisely who made each change if you're working collaboratively. If you want to explore a specific version, simply click on its entry in the Version History panel. Your main sheet view will update to show you what your spreadsheet looked like at that point in time. It's a fantastic way to review changes without any commitment to make edits right away. Now let's say you find a version that you'd like to revert to, maybe one before a major change was made or a period before a mistake. To restore this previous version, simply go to the top of the Version History panel and locate the Restore This Version button. It's typically highlighted, allowing for easy identification. Clicking this will prompt a confirmation where you can confirm your intent to restore to this specific version. Don't worry, this action does not permanently delete other versions. You can always navigate back to a different point if needed. We've now walked through the simple yet powerful process of viewing and restoring previous versions in Google Sheets. Remember, this is an invaluable tool for managing your data effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide enhances your workflow and makes your Google Sheets experience even more robust. Keep exploring and check back for more insightful tutorials.